Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make kidney beans, one of my favorite types of beans. I love the texture and I love the flavor. So I put together this really simple video to show you all how I make my beans. So the base to really any of my bean dishes typically comes with onions, peppers, and garlic. So today I'm using a yellow onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 habanero pepper. I'm just going to dice it up into a size that I think that they can saute well. So after I've diced up my onions and garlic and pepper, I put them in a pot with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and let them cook down a little bit just to get some of those flavors out. And I cook it on about a medium heat, not too high because I don't want them to burn, but also not too cool to where they don't saute enough in time for me to add the rest of my base for my beans. After the onions, garlic, and pepper cook down a little bit, I then add about a cup of canned tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomatoes that you use. I just used what was in my mother's pantry at the time, which were these fire roasted diced tomatoes. I added in about a cup and mixed that up with the onions, garlic, and pepper and let that cook down a little bit. Allow the tomatoes water to kind of get into the pot. After I add in the tomatoes, I then move to my seasoning. I add about a tablespoon of everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's, about a tablespoon of garlic powder, and about a tablespoon of cumin. And I just mix that all up together. I also added salt and pepper and a little bit of smoked paprika, but it wasn't caught on film. And that's the base for my beans. I let those flavors kind of cook down and cook together before I add in my dry beans. So next I'm going to add my kidney beans. These kidney beans have actually been cooked a little bit before putting them in this pot. I put them in my Instapot because I did not soak them overnight. This was kind of an impulse meal. So I added the kidney beans to my Instant Pot and cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes on pressure cooking so that they're cooked and they're definitely, a lot softer than fresh dry beans. But they also still need a little bit of cooking time, and it'll also give them the ability to pick up the flavors of the base that I've already created for the beans. Add about 2 cups of kidney beans into the pot, and then add some vegetable stock. Whatever vegetable stock you use is fine. And then I just kind of mix that all up together with 2 cups of water and bring it to a rumbling boil. After the beans reached a rumbling boil, I covered them with a lid and turned down the pot to about a medium-low setting. And then I allowed them to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. The water should begin to thicken up a little bit as time goes on. I do prefer my beans on the thicker side. I like my base to be somewhat of a gravy texture. So with that, I add extra cornstarch to my pot, about 2 tablespoons of a cornstarch and water mixture. And then I cook that in and I allow the heat to get back to its temperature so close to boiling so that the beans can continue to thicken and that the cornstarch can cook within the base. I hope you all found this tutorial helpful. If you do recreate this dish, don't forget to take a picture and share with me on Instagram at plant-based Bree. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching.